So during this video, I'm going to be going over finally how to use the Magic Wand tool in combination with the layers panel in order to get rid of this offset white in the scanned photos. So the first thing we need to do, of course, is to select the Magic Wand tool on the left here, set the tolerance to 30, and select an off-white area. Press Command X or Edit Cut, and it'll cut out the area. As you see, that really isn't so effective, as it basically gave us, or it did give us, a transparent background. That's not what we want. We want this to be replaced with the solid white. So Command Z. So we'll need to put a white background when this is cut out. In order to do that, we need to understand layers and how to use that, which we already did go over. So I'll create a new layer. It'll have to be behind the current layer and be pure white. So this will be the background pure white layer, the layer that we're currently looking at. So this one that I just made visible and invisible needs to be locked because we don't want to make any changes to it. And so the area, or the one that we want to make pure white, is layer 1 is named here. So I'm going to make the top layer invisible. And on layer 1, I'm going to use the rectangle here. I'm going to set both the fill and the stroke. So this is the stroke and the fill. Click them here. Set it to white, which is at the furthest corner, or as a number here, it's FFF. I'm not going to go over the rectangle tool or how to use the colors, but that's what you need to select. So click on the rectangle tool. And I'm going to zoom out a bit so I can get the whole area. I'm going to make a rectangle, which is pure white in that area. And now this area below it, so this layer here is pure white. Now I'm going to lock it. I'm going to make the layer above it, the one that contains all these photos, visible again. I'm going to unlock it. And I'm going to use the Magic Wand again. I'm going to cut out all the off-white areas. And now the background is pure white. So let's compare. As we see in the history tool here, we see cut pixels. Let's go back to the last snapshot. So we'll see here girl 5 fixed. So let's look at that versus the very end. So there's quite a big difference there between those two colors for the background. If we go all the way back to the beginning, so right at the very beginning, then go all the way to the end, quite a drastic difference there. Now, there's definitely a lot more issues involved with this, and we'll go over those in the next video, and those will provide more little details of why this isn't exactly correct, but it's very close in that it's useful.